Hello, everyone. Today I'm gonna talk about the hidden cost of the digital consumption. So this article begins with the Google's underwater cable facing unexpected challenges from sharks, highlighting the intersection of the digital and physical environments. It then explores the hidden carbon footprint of the digital consumption using an ebook as example by analyzing articles like browsing website, streaming videos. It reveals a significant environmental consequence. The case study of the YouTube carbon emission underscores the impact of the online action on global carbon emission. Overall, the article emphasizes the importance of the global awareness in the digital age and advocates for the sustainable practice in the ICT industry. There are a total of 4 creators for this article, and they all published this article together on the Paramedic Press. The data source is made of 6 pieces, which are the energy consumption of the internet's infrastructure, carbon emission factors, global greenhouse gas emission, YouTube energy consumption. And as for the case study, the article used the Silicon Valley pollution and rare earth mineral mining as example. As for the data processing, there are 4 different methods for the data processing with the data aggregation, quantitative analysis, case study, and also the comparative analysis. As we can see for the data aggregation, it built up the projection for ICT shares and global emissions in the future till up to 2040. As for the quantitative analysis, it built up the YouTube pipeline and electronic usage for 2016 and highlighted on the map. Next one, the case study is got the stuff from the side of the St. Clair Valley, which is the Silicon Valley pollution case. As for the comparative analysis, it compared the different sources of the median emission and showing its carbon footprints. There are a couple analysis tools the article were using. First, as for the data wrangling, it was using the programming software such as R and Python. As for the data visualization, it chose to use Tableau and Power BI. GIS was used for mapping and analyzing spatial data. As for trend analysis, the article were using Python and MATLAB for simulation and modeling. As for the network analysis tools, it chose Giphy. The overall message this article tried to send us is that the ICT industry has a significant environmental footprint, including the substantial energy consumption and also the carbon emission. So therefore, it projected by 2040, the emission from ICT could consist of significant percent of global total if no mitigating actions are taken. Therefore, the energy efficiency, better recycling method, and development of greener technology is needed. The same as the policy intervention, industry regulation, and customer awareness is indeed needed to mitigate the environmental impact. The takeaway echoes the overall messages that the significant environmental impact of the ICT has been generated, and also the environmental burdens has been created based on the case study. Therefore, the sustainable practice and policy intervention should be adopted to prevent things from getting worse. The strength of this article is about the quality of the data. It got diverse data sources such as the industry report, academic paper, and environmental assessments, and also the detailed case study to demonstrate a vivid scenario that the things could be really bad. Next is the analysis method, the quantitative and qualitative approach, which provides a balanced view of the environmental impact, and also the trend analysis highlighting the urgency of the issue. Last but not the least, the interactive visualization provides a dynamic way to explore the data, and also the ability to zoom in from a microwave to a microwave to a detailed level of the data use. And also the seamless integration of visualization with the narrative flow of the article give us a better storytelling. The weakness of this article is the credibility. This article is heavily reliant on the data from the academic paper, industry reports, and environmental assessments. While the sources provide valuable insights, they are biased toward the limitation of the technology and ignore the benefits of technology. So my recommendation would be the article may think about how the other side of the voice being benefit to the ICT bringing to us. Next is the unequal challenging, as the article assumption made is really biased and towards the negative impacting. My suggestion would be thinking about the potential advancements and also changes to provide a more accurate and reliable understanding of the future projection. In summary, the article underscored the urgent need for sustainable practice in the ICT industry and also the importance of collecting action addressing global environmental challenges. By leveraging technology for positive environmental impact and adopting reasonable policies and practice, stakeholders can work towards a more sustainable future for the next generation to come. Thank you all.